Welcome to the third edition of Economic Times BFSI Innovation Tribe Summit and Awards 2020. I am Tausif Siddiqui, and today I am going to speak about how NetApp can help you in your data-driven digital transformation journey. NetApp is a hybrid cloud data services company. We help our customers ensure that their data and applications are in the right place at the right time with the right capabilities in order to achieve new insights and to accelerate innovation. We do this by helping our customers build their data fabrics and transform their business. We partner with the cloud service providers offering solutions and services across hybrid multi-cloud. Let us start the session with some facts. On 6th May 2017, The Economist published an article and claimed that the world's most valuable resource is no longer oil, but data. Data is the oil of digital era. Look at the top organizations today. The oil and gas companies are not at the top anymore. At the top, you will find data-driven organizations. Imagine the impact of pandemic on economy 20, 30 years back. With negligible or limited digitization, the impact of the pandemic on the world would have been astounding. I have seen the agenda of today's session. Please go through the agenda and think how many times you hear words like digital, transformation, technologies, digitization, fintech. The leaders understand that data is the new currency, and every business is striving to be data-driven. And the pertinent questions are, how do you build a data-driven organization without digitally transforming your organization? How do you digitally transform your organization without transforming the custodian of the data, the IT of your organization? Unlike the fintech or born in the cloud organization, the enterprises operating their IT from traditional data centers, managing non-cloud native applications find it difficult to keep pace with the ever-changing demands of the business. And business have started to evaluate how cloud can help in digital transformation. We don't expect that the enterprise will remain either on-premise or will totally shift to the cloud. They will look at each and every application and find the best location for that application to support the business demands. In near future, hybrid cloud will be the way forward for the business. As per Gartner, by 2025, 40% of infrastructure and operations leader will embrace at least one of the hybrid cloud architectures. This is up from 10% in 2020. As per cloud computing trends, from hostingtribunal.com, 80% of organizations are predicted to migrate to the cloud, hosting and co-location services by 2025. Did you notice a trend here? For enterprises, digital transformation has moved from a strategic initiative to a survival imperative. But digital transformation is not easy. Data is the heart of every business. New technologies impact every discipline, economy, and industry. Technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things are going mainstream, and they generate and depend on vast amount of data. Harnessing data is the key to competitive advantage, and data is driving this digital transformation. Hence, it can be safely said, digital transformation is essential for data-driven organization, and IT transformation is essential for any digital transformation. If you ask IT leaders in your organizations, they will say, in business, boring is good. It means expected. It means things are going according to plan, fully predictable, which is just so 2019. Then came 2020 and all the plans were tossed out. But what happens when the world becomes fully unpredictable, defined by disruption, upheaval, and change? Those who can fully adapt will thrive and rise above. Those who simply can't will be left behind. This is where NetApp can help you in your digital transformation journey by helping you transform your IT. With NetApp Data Fabric, we can make your enterprise applications run better on-premise or in the cloud. We can make it easy to monitor and control all your data on-premise and in the cloud from one single pane. We can give your developers storage and compute resources that manage themselves. We can offer flexible sourcing models across on-premise and on the cloud. Why? Because we are the specialists, relentlessly focused on putting you in control. Boring or as per plan is no longer an option because the world is changing fundamentally and quickly. And you need the ability to instantly adapt to the rapid changing world. Business and application must have access to the right data at the right time, at the right place, and above all, at the right pace. Speed is the new scale. Not all applications make sense in the cloud today, maybe tomorrow, or maybe never. We believe a digitally transformed business can be built on hybrid cloud with a highly portable NetApp data fabric to serve the needs of the business in this rapidly changing world. When the IT transforms itself with flexibility to exploit on-premise cloud or hybrid deployments to support business outcomes, it brings in new challenges. Managing your data across hybrid multi-cloud environment at the same time meeting stringent regulatory compliances. To make the transformation journey easy by partnering with cloud service providers, NetApp built Data Fabric for our customers. You like cloud for its promise to scale, adapt, accelerate? We help cloud keep that promise. With Data Fabric, we can help combine the best of cloud and data optimized for any environment. We have redefined how you can manage data, storage, and infrastructure in more powerful and cost-effective ways. To help turbocharge your digital transformation, we make it easy to see and control all your data from one place. In the process, we help make your enterprise application run better on-premise and in the cloud. It is always good to have options. That is why our solutions are flexible, simple, and yet powerful. As conditions change, you need an IT model that adapts to your business demands. We enable you to keep your data and enterprise application where it makes the most sense in any cloud, on-premise, or anywhere in between. You can also bring the best of cloud into your data center. Either way, you will have one view, one data management experience across your enterprise. It gives you unified visibility, compliance, and control across your data fabric. Business needs to be aware of unexpected scenarios that can derail digital transformation efforts. Harry Robinson of McKinsey earlier pointed out that 70% of digital transformation initiatives fail. As the role of the IT continues to evolve from back-end business function to a strategic change agent for competitive advantage, NetApp can help business digitally transform, continually adapt, and stay successful. Organizations that succeed in data-driven digital transformation can enable new customer touchpoints, create innovative business opportunities, and optimize operations. Data-driven digital transformation is not easy. Success depends on gaining the speed and agility to compete with the born in the cloud organizations and the ability to access data and resources anywhere and everywhere. The IT transformation must start with the modernization and simplification of IT to accelerate business critical application. Then it must build private cloud, automation, and service-based delivery to gain speed and agility for the application that cannot go to the cloud. And it must evaluate the application's relevance with the cloud options in the market and exploit the cloud to bring in agility to the business. Though we have built the data fabric to solve the challenges of digital transformation, many organizations are unclear where to begin with. There is generally no clear strategy, no process for qualifying and validating cost benefits, and inconsistent decision making among key business stakeholders. To help our customers navigate this challenge, NetApp offers data fabric consulting engagement to define goals and establish a technology focused strategy to digital transformation led by IT transformation. Key takeaways: digital transformation is dependent on IT transformation. For IT transformation, NetApp helps unlock best of cloud wherever, whenever, as per your business requirements. NetApp offers one experience on-premise and in any cloud. NetApp also brings in simplicity and flexibility of the cloud to your data center. NetApp Cloud Services portfolio bring optimization and enterprise-grade data services to the cloud of your choice. And last but not the least, NetApp Data Fabric will help you accelerate your digital transformation through secure and compliant hybrid multi-cloud solution. For more information on how we can help digitally transform your business, please reach out to our virtual booth or your NetApp sales relationship manager. We will be happy to answer your queries and questions. At the end, NetApp unlocks the best of the cloud and enterprise IT. Thank you. Stay safe.